Hello, this is a quick demonstration about, or an explanation, about the KARTO SLAM. KARTO SLAM is another SLAM algorithm. Uh, Initially, it was not open source, but right now it's open source. So the package, you can get it on GitHub. There's the source code about KARTO SLAM. You have several, well, they have only two branches, but you can download the source code and test. I think Karto you can install it with Synaptic. We will see it later to see if we can enable disable the Synaptic Package Manager. But let's talk a little bit more about Karto. So here is Karto. Karto has some nodes, at only one node that is called Slam Karto. They have two subscribers and three publishers. You have to uh, publish, your robot has to publish the TF by the TF message, and also you have at least the laser scan, or mandatory are both the TF and the laser scan. Also, uh, obviously they need to be in that way. If not, you have to remap it. Also, they have the published topic of the metadata of the map and the map that you can call a service to get the map to get the map data. And also, if you want to use a KARTO SLAM, you have to configure these parameters. A lot I'm going to explain here. Basically, you have to construct a configuration file for those parameters. Actually, they say that they need all references to OLAM frame. So you got the OLAM to baselink and the baselink to scan. So you need to have your RDF model in that way. And in the end, it will provide a transform from the map to see the map on the environment. So let's see if can host Karto works. They use scan matching. Practically, if you have used OpenCV and you know a little bit of scan matching, if you got an image and you have this is a pretty good example. You got an image with rotation and translation in a plane. You can get the characteristic of the image in another frame in this example, and you can see the features that are matching with the previous image with the next image. So that's basically scan matching. Let's see. Okay, this is the company is sponsored by Investigation Institute in Europe. This is the team. They open source all the code for use for using your robot. So let's see if I could check how is the node of Karto. Let's see. Karto node. SLAM. Let's see. Okay. I think I will explain better in my running instance. Okay, let's see the TF. Here is the TF. You got the base link, the base footprint, the OLAM, and the published map that is references to the robot. I got this base scan here that is my part of my TF is the laser scan. In my case, it's an RP LiDAR. We got the TF. This is the constructed TF. Now let's see the node. Node graph. So it's pretty simple. You got Gazebo running, publishing the giant state and the TF. Um, the robot state publisher got it on Karto. So what I don't see, I don't know why there's not a scan inside Karto, but it's working. Here is the let's launch anything. I have a separate video launching everything. Okay, so we will start again. You have first to source the environment that you're using, and then we will launch Gazebo. Okay, in my case, it's launch Jetbot Gazebo, find Jetbot.launch, and the word name that is located on the folder of Gazebo here. Words, there are some words. And this one, Turtlebot Tree House word, is what we are trying to launch. The next thing is to launch, obviously, the SLAM algorithm, in this case, Karto. So you have, again, to source the environment, and then you have to launch the Jetbot SLAM package with the launch file Jetbot SLAM, the SLAM method named Karto. So you launch it, and you get it. So here is the SLAM is working. Next, we are, if we want to control, you have to launch a teleop tool like Architectural Controls Robot Steering or any other one. I like that one because it's very graphical. And I input always the correct velocity command for the robot. So if we start moving around or rotating, we will see that the model is building dynamically. So how we implement it? Let's see first if Synaptic has enabled to get Karto installed. So let's see with Karto, just a little. Karto. Here it is. You have to install OpenKarto, SLAM Karto. In a future, I will try to install SLAM toolbox, but it's not necessary to run Karto SLAM on your simulation on your robot. So you install it, and then you can pass to the configuration. So how is the configuration? It's pretty simple. For Karto, let's see, okay, here we have a Karto parameters YAML file that corresponds to this, all those parameters here. So you get imagine resolution 0.05. Let's see if it's here. You can specify or not because it get the default values. So it's not here, I think, because I don't see resolution. But you can, let's search about this parameter. Okay, if you don't specify, the default is 8. Right now it's 8, so it's the default value, and it's a double. And you start specifying or configuring all those parameters. So a quick explanation here on each parameter, and you can have an intuition about that. So in case of your robot, you have to fine-tune those parameters to improve better in your SLAM algorithm, in your SLAM functionality, I mean. So you have the YML file for Karto, and then if we go to the Karto launch, there's only one node, as I told you. So the node only launch load the parameters of Karto here, and the main file when you specify, because we are obviously launching the robot description, launching the SLAM method, launching the Jetbot controller manager for activate the ROS controls, and also launching RVs with the visualization. Here is the visualization for Karto here. Well, the basic thing here is when you specify the SLAM method Karto, you get to the launch by Jetbot underscore Karto here, and you launch Karto and node. So that's all. I hope you understand how to configure Karto for your robot and put the simulation to work. Those information about the algorithm and how to tune those parameters are, as I told you here on the package summary. So it's like a tweak the parameters in your real life robot to get the best performance, and also try to spend some time improving the map. So that's all. I hope you like. Any questions, you can comment me on the video or try to chat me, because in my GitHub repo are all the links on all the information related to my contact. And if you want to email me, chat me, text me, anything. So that's all. Thank you.